Humanoid robots are now climbing steel walls for dangerous jobs. And Apple might once again prove that being first doesn't actually matter. You're watching Next Byte. Quick tech news, minus the noise. Robot Plus Plus just revealed a humanoid-style industrial operation robot built for high-risk environments. Honestly, this thing looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie, where humans stop doing the dangerous jobs themselves. The robot uses a wheeled magnetic adhesion base to lock onto steel walls while operating. It has dual robotic arms and swappable industrial tools for different tasks. One machine can handle welding, rust removal, flaw detection, grinding, and industrial spraying. This is exactly where robotics starts making real-world sense. Think petrochemical plants, shipyards, and offshore energy sites, places where work still has to get done. Maybe humans shouldn't have to hang off a steel wall doing this anymore. The bigger picture isn't replacing workers overnight. It's about replacing the most dangerous parts of industrial labor first. That's probably where humanoid robotics will quietly become mainstream before most people realize it. Now, from wall-climbing robots to the company that somehow keeps winning by showing up late. Here's something people forget about Apple. The company almost never invents the category first. The iPhone wasn't the first smartphone, the iPad wasn't the first tablet, and AirPods weren't the first wireless earbuds, but somehow they keep redefining categories. Anyway, by arriving late and simplifying the experience. The next big test could be the iPhone Fold, even though foldables already exist from Samsung, Huawei, and Google. The real question is whether Apple can arrive late, simplify the experience, and reshape the market again. If history repeats, the iPhone Fold might not be the first foldable people see, but it could become the first mainstream users actually want. From robots taking over dangerous industrial work to Apple preparing another late-entry power move, tech is changing the market more than racing to be first. And this is Next Byte News, where we keep you one bite ahead.